Have you ever noticed how some of life's toughest challenges feel like they're working against you, but later you realize that they were actually shaping you? Astrology, sacred geometry, and psychology all agree. Growth doesn't happen in a circle of comfort. It happens in the square of challenge. Imagine Libra, the sign of peace and harmony, sitting at the dinner table with Capricorn, the sign of discipline and responsibility. Libra pours tea, wanting everything to feel fair and beautiful. Capricorn checks the clock, reminding everyone that rules and structure keep the meal from turning into chaos. They clash. Libra wants ease, Capricorn wants order. But out of their argument comes something powerful. The recognition that true peace can't exist without structure, and true structure means nothing without peace. Now picture a square, 4 sides, each pulling against the other. That tension is what makes it solid. In astrology, a square between signs is exactly this: friction that forces growth. The square doesn't ask, "Do you want comfort?" It asks, "Are you ready to build something stronger than before?" Every time we face a square, whether in the sky or in life, we are asked to push against resistance so we don't collapse. In sacred geometry, there's a reason we see the square paired with the compass. One grounds, one guides. The square represents earth, responsibility, boundaries, Capricorn energy. The compass represents heaven, harmony, and proportion, Libra energy. Together they symbolize balance, not the absence of challenge, but the ability to navigate challenge with both courage and grace. In psychology, discomfort is like weight training for the brain. When you lift a weight, the muscle tears a little, then rebuilds stronger. When you face a craving, a hard truth, or a life obstacle, your mind strains and then rewires stronger. The square is life's weight room. The discomfort is the resistance. And the compass? That's the part of you that remembers why you're lifting in the first place. Peace, balance, transformation. Astrology shows us that squares push growth. Geometry shows us that squares and compasses build structures aligned with both earth and heaven. Psychology shows us that discomfort is the key to resilience. Together they reveal a universal law. Discomfort is not punishment, it is direction. So the next time life feels like Libra squaring Capricorn, peace clashing with discipline, remember that friction is the sacred square and compass carving courage back into your life. Challenges don't just build strength, they rebuild self-trust, they reclaim courage, they remind you that peace is not passive. It's built through responsibility and love. If this resonates with you, if you want to keep exploring the deeper bridges between astrology, sacred geometry, and psychology, I share full lessons, worksheets, and guided practices over on my Patreon. That's where we go beyond the metaphors into tools you can actually use to transform your chart and your life. Linktree in the bio. Join me there for more astrological wisdom, peace, and wellness.